got this as lunch, a little quesadilla, some mole chicken, pork ribs, and I got a little bit of the cactus salad there.
Cheers to the middle!
Cheers to the middle.
Let's hope that tonight
We
we all get a little! Salud!
Salud. Cheers. Morning. Look at this sunrise. So beautiful. We wake up early to go with the camels on the beach. We come on the boat early and it's so nice and nobody here. I like this house. And we are going to the pool. Just because we didn't go in the water, we go in the Serenity pool. This is how the ship looks like when everybody is on board. I like this boat.
This is our start of day 2 in Cabo San Lucas. We just got off the Carnival Miracle to get on the tender. And do you know what we're doing today?
We're going with the camel.
Camel ride. Can't see it through the sun, but that is our sign for our Camel Mexican Outback adventure with lunch. That's what Chris wants to do. She's still out looking for it. All right, and we'll get back to you when we find our tour guide and get on the bus.
We are in the pier waiting to go on the camel tour, and I got my camel stuff. There he goes. It's so busy over here. People wearing masks.
All right, guys, we're all loaded onto the bus and heading off to the ranch where the camel ride is. It's about a 50-minute bus ride. This should not be very exciting at all.
The cacao.
The cacao.
Yes.
And the beans inside it.
Yes.
So we just got our short introduction with Naomi, and now we're off to go see our camels.
Let's go.
You're informed there's a camel kissing competition, I believe, or something very, I'm
gonna
not
win.
sure.
I'm gonna win.
Just remember the French kisses are not allowed. Okay. Now, before we start the photo session, we just have one rule. This is of the company. You can see those signs next to you.
We just finished our little camel photo session, and now we're over in the riding area where they're getting everything ready, getting our helmets ready, all that type of stuff for us.
Water, hard to find, food, so they have to spend sometimes a lot of time without resources. And then the fat, they can use them to spend 2 weeks, maybe a little bit more, 2 weeks and a half without eating or drinking absolutely anything. So imagine, we humans, we can survive like 3 days maybe without food. But what happens if we don't have water? But less than 3 days we can survive. So imagine, a camel is really strong animal, endurance. And after those 2 weeks and a half of surviving, of course, they are going to run out of fat. And their humps, in the case of Hercules, their humps is gonna blend like this.
All right, we're getting all ready. I think you put it on backwards, babe. I don't know. There we go. These are our little hats to make sure the helmets don't touch our hair, which is nice. No lice. Nobody likes that.
Yes, like the owner of 1,000 gas stations, huh? How rich you look now. Very good. Alrighty. You can take selfies if you want, you can take pictures.
Hey baby, how do you like this?
It's fun. Just hanging on. Nice walk along the beach.
What's the name of your camel?
Ezekiel. Ezekiel the camel. It's a nice ride along the beach. Beautiful waves coming in.
Camel is looking at me. Ooh, that's a big cactus. We're gonna go around.
All right, now we're off to the lunch and tequila, they said. I heard tequila.
You heard tequila?
I heard tequila.
Yeah, we got our extra shots too because we got answers right.
Oh, extra tequila shots.
Welcome guys to my piece of heaven. Here is where we practice something really traditional from Mexico, from all cultures. and that is human sacrifices.
Sweet.
And the volunteer is gonna be the tallest of the group.
Sweet.
Chosen one. Very good.
Check that out. They made a camel out of rocks out in the sand there. I think we can see it here. Sort of fun. And now right over here is our lunch spot. Beer, tequila, food, sore butts from riding on a camel. You ready, babe?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm ready and I can eat.
Let's go eat. So first we're going over to check out the pictures and the videos that they shot of us and see how much more they're gonna try to hit us up for. So we just got our photos and the drone film. Not that bad, $84.
It was 120.
And that was just to download them onto your phone or onto your Android, really quick and easy. Or you could also get some prints made, and that package was $120, I think. So let's go see what there is to eat and hit up the buffet. All right, this is lunch, a little quesadilla, some mole chicken, pork ribs, and I got a little bit of the cactus salad there. Hibiscus water, and I believe over here is where the bar is with tequila.
Never above you.
Never above you. What was that?
Don't tell me that. Are you saying that my English classes doesn't work? Oh no. Okay, once again. Please. Never above you.
Never above you.
Never below you.
Never below you.
Always beside you.
Always beside you.
More tequila, I love you.
More tequila.
I love you.
Salud.
Salud.
Ready? No, no.
You're gonna light your throat like fire here.
It's burning every day.
Chicken.
I'm not a chicken.
I'm not a fly.
I'm not a fly.
I drink mezcal.
I drink mezcal.
And I will survive.
And I will survive.
Salud.
Salud.
Hey. Oh yes. Thank you. Cheers to the middle.
Cheers to the middle.
Let's hope that tonight.
Let's hope that tonight
We all get a little. Salud.
Salud. Salud. Cheers. Where are you at?
We just finished up our tour, and now we're heading back to the main camp.
your
We
favorite
finished up
word in Spanish?
tequila tasting and lunch and camel riding. It was a good time.
We're going on the cruise. Another day, another animal, tall animal. Today we have a piggy. It's a piggy. Piggy. The piggy is supposed to look at the ocean. The piggy should look at Cabo San Lucas. Jet skis, sailing boats. So cute.
Alright, I got the shrimp creole and Chris got the pork spare ribs, and as you can see, once again, the food on these cruise ships is always, in my opinion, really good and amazing. The chicken soup she had was really good, and my French onion soup was delicious.